Welcome back to Auto MVP Garage 7, your destination for discovering practical MPVs, family vehicles, and the latest automotive innovations. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Hyundai APV, a spacious and versatile people mover designed for families, transport use, and long-distance comfort. The 2026 Hyundai APV focuses on maximum practicality and space, offering a simple yet functional design built for everyday reliability. It is aimed at drivers who need a strong balance between passenger capacity, comfort, and affordability, making it suitable for both personal and commercial use. From the outside, the Hyundai APV features a boxy and utilitarian design that prioritizes interior space over aggressive styling. The front includes a wide grille, simple headlights, and a clean bumper layout. The overall shape is tall and practical, ensuring easy entry and exit for passengers while maximizing cabin volume. The side profile highlights its long body and high roofline, which directly translates into a roomy interior. Large sliding doors make passenger access convenient, especially in tight parking spaces or busy urban environments. The design is straightforward but highly functional for daily use. At the rear, the design remains simple with wide opening doors that allow easy loading and unloading of luggage or cargo. This makes the APV not only a family vehicle but also a practical option for small businesses and transport services. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Hyundai APV is focused on space and utility. It offers seating for multiple passengers with a flexible layout that can be adjusted depending on usage needs. The wide cabin ensures good headroom and legroom, making long journeys more comfortable for all occupants. The dashboard is designed in a simple and easy-to-use layout, featuring essential controls and a basic infotainment system for music, navigation, and connectivity. Storage compartments are placed throughout the cabin to improve everyday convenience. Comfort features are practical rather than luxurious, with air conditioning, adjustable seating, and basic convenience options that support long-distance travel. The focus is on durability and functionality rather than premium styling. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai APV is expected to come with a reliable petrol engine designed for efficiency and load-carrying capability. The engine setup prioritizes durability and steady performance, making it suitable for both city driving and highway travel with passengers or cargo. Driving performance is stable and straightforward. The APV is designed for easy handling in urban areas while maintaining strength on longer routes. Its suspension is tuned to handle heavier loads, ensuring a comfortable ride even when fully occupied. Safety features are expected to include essential systems such as airbags, ABS, and basic stability control. The design focuses on structural strength and reliability to ensure passenger protection in everyday driving conditions. The 2026 Hyundai APV stands out as a practical and dependable multi-purpose vehicle. With its spacious interior, simple design, and strong utility focus, it is a solid choice for families, transport services, and anyone needing a reliable people carrier. Thanks for watching Auto MVP Garage 7. If you enjoy discovering MPVs, family vans, and practical vehicles, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content right here on Auto MVP Garage 7.